And today I'm joined by my sister,
Jessie,
who
that pause.
is going to be teaching me how to tie a Chinese knot today.
I'm not teaching you, we're both learning. That's why we have the instructions right here. And don't copyright us, please. I swear it's just a video, you know, because that's my assignment. Okay, so, material needed. Polyester and nylon lacing cord. We got that. We got quite a bit of that.
We have a whole ball of that somewhere.
Yeah, it's right over here.
So we're just using thick
For our
yarn.
mistakes.
So we're using thick yarn here.
Thick.
So,
okay, what it says. There are hundreds of patterns for tying a Chinese knot. One of the most popular and easy to make pattern is introduced here. The Jiang knot, or the Jiang Jie in Chinese. The word Jiang symbolizes good luck and beauty. This pattern is also called Qiquan knot, Qiquan Jie, since there are 7 circles in the knot. Step 1. Get a lacing cord of 1.5 to 2 feet long. Well, I'd say that's about 1.5 to 2 feet long, considering how it extends. Oh, hey, a ruler! What a useful thing!
it's a little more than 2 feet long, but yeah, that's fine.
Let's see. We just cut this here and...
Oh, no, it's fine. Let's leave it the way it is.
Alright, fine.
If
But
we need it to
be
If we need it to be shorter, then...
Alright, fudge.
You made the thing go for a walk.
I'm not used to the garden videos. Yeah, that's you know?
We've already recorded 3 with me, so this shouldn't be this hard.
This is the 3rd, isn't it?
This is the 4th.
Oh, hey, right. Alright.
Because you did the coloring video,
Yeah, okay. Step 2. Tie the 2 ends for easier handling. These little bits here, these are the ends, in case you didn't notice. So, tie a knot. Whoop-de-doo. Yeah, it's a knot.
And to do an overhand knot,
I'm going to do a double
for those
knot.
who don't know, you make a loop, and you stick the tail through the back of the loop.
Oh my god, what a smart person.
Well, in case people want to follow along with us and don't know how to do that kind of knot. Because I might be talking to a younger audience.
I'm double knotting mine just because, you know. I like
And
double knots.
you can do it twice.
Extra strength. Alright, step 3. Fold the cord in half. Page, because, you know, that's where the instructions are. Fold the cord in half. Guess you know what half is you take one end, you put it at the other end, and then you pull.
Oh, we're fully in
Makes
half.
a half.
We're fully in half again. We're doing it twice.
Yep, and then we're going to fold it in half again. Just like that. And then we're going to fold it in half again. Wowsies.
Fold down the... No. Follow the instructions very carefully. Okay.
Leaving about an inch at the lower end. Yep, okay, fine. We're done.
Okay, and then I have to fold the cord in half again. Doop.
Make sure it's nice and even, just like that. And I've actually looked at the instructions previously. Alright, now. Perfect. Alright. Hold down the top end of the folded cord as the center, and place the cord in a plus shape. Well, I did that. Haha, I'm ahead of you.
Well, you've read the instructions before. I have not.
Yeah, I know. There we go.
It's a cross shape. Because it has the extra inch at the bottom.
It's a plus shape.
But it's longer at the bottom.
It's a nondescript Christian symbol. Alright. Alright, now, step 7. Fold the 4 ends on top of each other counterclockwise. The clock ticks. Just
follow the picture.
I'm working on it. Alright, let's see. This one goes over there.
Oh, mine is starting to fall apart.
Be careful.
I don't think we made it long enough.
No, we did. We made it longer than it needed to be, actually. Okie dokie. So they said, recommended start with this one. And then you fold this one over that, like this one. And then you fold this... What do you do with that one? Oh, wait, you do that one. Alright, you fold this one over... Oops. Oopsie.
And...
Oh, wait, no, I'm good. Never mind. Haha.
And that, and it goes to the...
And then this one goes over that, like that. And then that one goes over that, like that. Oh my god, I'm smart. Wow.
Okay, I have mine in a square now.
Yay! You're nice and neat, not and mine just is going everywhere.
It's okay. I know how to...
Don't pat me.
You know I love to make knots at camp, so...
What the heck? What did I just do with mine? What? Alright, yeah, okay, so mine's
I'm gonna have to do more editing now.
No, sorry. Alright, step 9. Fold the 4... Oh wait, no, wait.
That was the beginning of the step.
Step 8: tighten up the knot by pulling the 4 ends.
Okay.
Don't show off. It's rude. What? There's an extra one.
Why do you have an extra one?
I just Why is yours all nice and neat? This isn't fair.
It's because I love to do yarn arts, but I'm so used to working with yarn.
Oh, this isn't fair. All right. Let's see. Starting again. Let's 1, a 2, and suddenly I'm Italian. A 3.
You're an Italian teaching a Chinese video.
Yep. And a 4. Wait, this is. Oh wait. Oh, perfect! Looky, it's done! Yay! Oh wow! Look, it's a knot partially. And now I gotta do this over again. Yay!
Ooh, so we do it again?
We haven't gotten to that step. Don't do it.
Okay, I'll wait.
Yes. What the heck? Where'd that bit come from? Oh wait, never mind. We're not gonna comment on the fact that it took me twice as long as it took you. Oh wait, look, perfect. All right, cool. Yay!
Now we do it in the reverse direction.
Oh, okay. Ha
Huh.
ha! Don't mind us. We're just making Minecraft references. All right, and straighten out your bits, and you do it again. All right, viewers, if you didn't see what we just did, we basically made a box knot. Which, if you didn't know what it is, you just look it up. I don't know. She's a better explainer than me.
It's a box knot. You frequently use it when making lanyards.
Yeah, you can make more and stack them on top of each other and eventually get a rope. It's cool.
You get a thicker rope.
Well, that's basically what it does.
Well, you start out with rope.
Wait, what?
And then you make a thicker rope.
Hold on. What did I do? Oh, wait, yeah. Ha, ha, ha. Yeah, I know what to do. Don't mind me. Just not...
Do it again. I love these knots. They're so pretty. This is an interesting way to do it, though. I mean, I guess you do it with one rod rather than...
Yay! Alright, Lucky.
4.
Now you pull. Now you hook your fingers in and you pull. Just like a doctor. I think I did it wrong. Yeah, somehow in the world.
No, it looks right. Yeah, it's crossed properly.
Oh my god, I nerded!
You're a not nerd now.
I said I'm a nerd.
I said you're a not nerd.
Alright, cool. Yeah. Okay, so basically...
And then step 11. Flip the knot over. Wait, where does this go? Don't know.
The
Okay.
floor.
So flip knot over. Gently pull the cord on the 4 corners of the knot to make 4 small circles. Wait, what?
Get it! I know this part better than you!
Which particular cord?
Whichever one you want. I'm gonna use a pencil because, you know, it's easier. So I'm just gonna stick this in here and kind of pull it out a bit. Oh, look, it's such a cute little loopy. And then this one right to here. Why is yours so tiny?
I don't know. I have no clue. Normally I'd insult you because mine was a lot neater or something, but actually yours isn't a lot neater this time, so... Yeah, I can do that.
Oh, wow, but I'm done first! Haha!
That's because I'm keeping my neater.
Shut your mouth.
That one doesn't involve cursing. You can say that one on camera.
Oh, look at my cute little naughty. And it's so cute.
It's a little naughty knot. Okay.
And now I'm just gonna trim up my ends because you know I like that.
Now it is done. Now I can hang it on my window.
I don't know. Yay! And where's that one so much longer?
I don't know. I don't know why mine's so
Oh, wait,
tiny
what?
and short.
What? This one just like gently pulled out. So I need to pull this one, basically.
I have no clue. I don't know what happened to mine to make it so tiny. And why hers is so much
Yours
larger.
is cute.
It's cute.
Cute and small. You can trim up your ends. Use the scissors.
No. I will leave it the way it is.
Alright, so I guess you can hang it like that, but it kind of droops, you know?
Oh, you hang it with the top one.
I guess. Yeah, that makes sense.
Doop.
Alright, cool. I made this Chinese lucky ornament.
It's so cute. I like it. I'm gonna hang it in my room now. Actually, I'm gonna put it on the pole right here, next to my.
It's like your
Workstation.
recording software. It's some oops.
You touched.
It's up here ish.
You can.
This is why it's wiggling. I'm holding the knot and yanking it.
Up here, there is a connect structure, and I have the knot over there in the corner. So,
And in case you didn't know, this is what connects is.
in case you did not
It
know,
just like
she
pulls
just
apart
pulls
part
apart
of your...
part of my thing, and this is what connects is. Okay, so
We have completed the Yang knot. Wasn't that fun?
that was fun, yes. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you had a fun time learning this knot with us.
Jeez, that was short.
Feel free to pause the video whenever you want to and go back and look at and you can follow along with us as we do the knot. So, hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more content.
Yeah, like the Pikachu says, and the Charmander, and he's so cute.
For more fun content, I also work with markers and bullet journaling. If you like to see more of that, you'll probably see some in a card over here, and one over here, and a little button for subscription over here. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Have a nice day, and goodbye. Have any words?
I think I made it longer. I was just kind of tugging it and, looking at this one, trying to make this one a bit longer so it would pull this one back like you're tying your shoelaces, but I think I made it longer. Oops. Peace out!
Bye. Say bye. Or you can say bye in Chinese.
再见!
Bye.